everybody, welcome back. Happy Tuesday. So today we are making 3 recipes for those of you who have forgotten that Valentine's Day is tomorrow. Oh my gosh. Or you're just being super busy. I'm not judging you at all. I usually like overschedule my life and then do everything last minute, so I totally get you. And these recipes are actually really, really good. I almost like prefer some of them to the other ones I made last week. So even if you make these, no one will know that you rushed. No one will know that you forgot it was Valentine's Day tomorrow, or today if you're watching this tomorrow. And no one will feel like, everyone will be so happy with what you made. The lighting just really changed. Oh my god, it's so bright. Okay, anyways, we're gonna keep going. So we're making 3 recipes in this video and they're so easy. They're actually really, really easy for me to shoot as well, which means they're actually even easier to make in real life. So first things first, we are making some chocolate covered Oreos, and they have a cute little Valentine's Day pattern on them, and I'll show you how to make them. They're so easy. And then we are making these really, really cute 2-bite brownie cakes, and they just have some chocolate drizzled on top and a little rose, and they look so pretty and fancy and are like minimal effort. And then last, we are making some champagne chocolate fondue. So I love this. I'm so happy with this because I got to use my rabbit fondue pot, and these champagne flutes are so pretty. They're from CB2, so if CB2 still sells them, I'll link them down below because I'm obsessed. So let's get started. Okay, so first we're going to make the patterned chocolate dipped Oreos. So you can actually use any kind of cookie that you like as long as the surface is like relatively flat. And you can use any kind of chocolate that you like, so, or whatever your Valentine likes. And what you need for these is, these little chocolate transfer sheets. I use some from Wilton, but I know they exist elsewhere as well. So I'll have the Amazon link in the description box below if you want to pick them up. And I'll find one that ships via Prime so that you can get them for tomorrow. So easy to make, don't worry. So what you want to do is dip some Oreo cookies halfway or fully submerge them into some melted chocolate. Top off the excess and then place them onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Then while the chocolate is still wet, place a little square or a circle of a chocolate transfer sheet on top. And for the chocolate transfer sheets, you'll feel that one side is completely smooth and one side has like a little like texture to it. Place the side with the texture onto the chocolate, and that will like make sure that you get the pattern on your chocolate instead of like just the clear side on and like no pattern. Then pop the tray in the fridge for the chocolate to set for about 20 minutes. Then just peel off the transfer sheets and reveal a pretty pattern and you are done. So I think these are so pretty, they're so easy, really, really great for last minute, and they look so pretty, and it does look like you put a little bit of thought into them. So you could package them up in like a little cellophane bag or like a little box and create like a box of chocolates, but it's like a box of cookies, I don't know. But yeah, I think these are super cute. Okay, so next we are making these little 2-bite brownies. So I think that they're so cute. I use store-bought 2-bite brownies just to show you guys that this can be made super, super easily. But if you'd like a really great brownie recipe, I will have that linked in the cards here. And yes, so definitely go check that out if you'd like to make your brownies by hand. Yes, yeah, weird. Okay. But if you're rushing, or if you're not an insanely like, I don't know, if baking isn't like your biggest strength, 2-bite brownies from the grocery store taste really, really good, and they're perfect. So what you want to do is flip the brownies over so that their largest surface is facing downwards, and then slowly spoon some melted white or dark chocolate chips on top of the brownies, allowing the chocolate to slightly drip off the edges. So to make sure that you get that really, really pretty dripping look, you want to use chocolate chips instead of other kinds of chocolates. So the reason why is that chocolate chips aren't just pure chocolate, they're like a compound chocolate kind of thing. I don't know if that's the right term, but because they aren't pure chocolate, when you melt them, they still have they have a much thicker consistency than like regular chocolate. So like if you melted a Lindt Excellence chocolate bar, which are my fave, oh my gosh, you'll notice that that is a lot runnier than chocolate chips. And if you pour the Lindt chocolate on top of the brownies, it would drizzle a lot more and it wouldn't have that nice little like drippy effect because it's much more runny. But with chocolate chips, you can spoon it on and you'll see that it just kind of like slowly creeps down the edge of the brownie. So that's the look, at least that I wanted for this video. If you want the other look, definitely go with the Lindt chocolate. But if you'd like the little drippy, pretty look, chocolate chips all the way. On top of some rose icing decorations, and you are done! So I think these are so pretty and so cute, and actually they taste really, really good. I didn't even expect, I thought like, I'm like, okay, it's brownies and chocolate, but like white chocolate chips and 2 white brownies are so good together. And these little roses are from Wilton. I'll link them down below, but basically if you go into any kind of like baking store in Canada, if you're in Canada, go to Bulk Barn. They have so many of those little like icing cake decorations, and that's what I bought. So they're really, really easy and they look so pretty. Oh my gosh. Yay. Okay, so now on to the last like item. I showed my friend and he's like, I would get major points if I made this for my girlfriend. So it doesn't look like it's a last minute thing, and it is, and it's so good. I love it. This is my favorite. So this is champagne fondue. So it's literally chocolate and champagne mixed together, and then you can serve it with whatever you'd like to dip into your fondue. And I have a really, really cute rabbit fondue pot that I will link down below if I can find it. I bought it from ModCloth like years ago. I'm talking like a million miles a minute. Million miles a minute? I think. So just breathe. I'm excited. So anyways, I bought the fondue pot ages ago off ModCloth. But I've seen it on Amazon, so if I can find it, I'll link it down below, as well as the champagne glasses. Also, fun fact, when I was filming the thumbnail for these, my elbow knocked over another champagne flute, and it's like shattered on the floor of my studio, so yay. Anyways, let's get started, and I'll show you how to make the champagne fondue. So place the milk chocolate in a pot and melt it over low heat. And I'm using a Wilton little chocolate melting pot, and basically it's not necessary, but what this does is it prevents the chocolate from burning, makes melting chocolate so easy. But if you're not using this, which is completely fine, just pop the chocolate in a pot and set it on the lowest heat possible and slowly melt it. Then remove it from the heat, add the champagne, and mix to combine. And so it might look a little bit lumpy, but just keep mixing, and the champagne will eventually incorporate into the chocolate. Then pour into a fondue pot and serve with some strawberries, some Rice Krispies, and marshmallows, and the rest of the champagne, and you are done. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you like these recipes. If you try these out, please send me photos on Instagram or Twitter at pankobunny. I would love to see them. I am so happy with this video. Oh my gosh, it was so much fun filming it. So I hope that you guys liked it too. And I hope you guys have a fantastic Valentine's Day. If you don't have a Valentine this year, don't worry, neither do I. I have celebrated Valentine's Day a total of once ever in my life, so like, don't worry. But yeah, if you have a Valentine, or if you're celebrating or doing like Valentine's Day or anything, I hope you have a wonderful and safe Valentine's Day, and I will see you on Thursday for an all-new video, and I will see you tomorrow on Instagram, because every Wednesday now I go live on Instagram around like 2 p.m. EST time, because I'm in Toronto. So if you'd like to see me cook live, you want to like say hi and chat live, head on over to Instagram tomorrow afternoon. And anyways, yeah, I will see you guys later. Bye!